All right.
Maybe your luck will be finally over, and I won't be mad anymore.
Even if it is, I have enough pulls. I have enough pulls for this.
What about the Wenjin?
That's the question, isn't it? All right, here we go. First temple.
I have no idea if she has a free-to-play version.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's an S rank. Oh, never mind. I thought I saw 2 for a second. I thought I saw 2. I ain't gonna lie, game. I ain't gonna lie. Is he cooked or is he not? Who knows? He might lose the 50-50. I won't be mad at you.
Got a gig that pays well?
Oh, fuck, man. I lost. I'm just kidding.
He might lose. Who knows?
It better be someone good if I lose. Okay, can they stop doing this?
Oh.
I've been awaiting your
Damn.
arrival, master.
Hey, I'm not mad though. I don't have her.
Damn.
I don't. Another? Damn. They hitting me with a lot of A's.
That's tough.
I didn't even really look.
That's
Hey,
tough.
but what about the second? But what about the second?
Alex, why you laugh like a fucking gremlin, dude?
Damn.
Ain't shit.
Guess it's not the second 20 pull.
Ain't shit in this pack.
Second temple.
But ain't shit.
All right, third 10 pull.
Oh,
Damn.
Is he gonna be in the pit? Is he gonna be in the pit? Who knows? Who knows?
All right, fourth 10 pull. Damn.
Is he going to be in the pit? Because I'm also in the. I mean, I wasn't going to be in the pit, but I just throw all my.
All right, fifth 10 pull.
Damn.
Yep,
might
GG.
hit hard pity again. We might hit hard pity again. We might hit hard pity. Actually, no. Are we in hard pity? Almost. We're almost in hard. Wait, actually, what is
Six
hard
10
pity?
pull.
60, 70? Or 70, 80?
Isn't that called soft pity?
Soft pity.
No, hard pity. Well, what's hard pity?
Hard pity is
80?
I don't even remember where I'm at. Seven pulls now.
soft
We're
pity.
at 30,
7 10 pulls.
38 left. So, damn.
Damn. That is a real shame.
Like 70.
They really made me drop a lot of fucking pulls for this.
It's wait. So it's 90 for 90, or is it? I thought it's 8.
Damn. They really made me go all the way.
Damn, that's crazy.
So when people say, "Oh, I'm going hard pity," they mean like.
Damn, that man's at fucking 80.
Let's do a single pull.
Oh yeah.
72. Oh, no, not
Oh, he's like,
70. I don't.
oh, bro.
I want to get it and get out.
Everyone wins anything.
Jesus.
Oh, all on black. Go bigger, go. Huh? Yeah. You want some? You still have the mechanical pencil I gave you?
Damn.
Fuck God. That's 0.7. Here, take it. Actually, here. No, here. Take a second one.
Alright, there's the A. They really emptied out. They really emptied out my reserve.
Asset secure. Zero
Oh,
threats
there she
identified.
is.
Yep.
Oh, Gary P, baby.
All right. Do I just want to collect this character? I don't know.
That's so fucking heavy.
What do you
Get the
think?
Wenjin. Get the Wenjin, dude. It's so good.
All right.
Do you even know what it does?
Hey,
If
man,
I'm lucky
all
enough.
All it matters is that crit rate, crit damage go crazy.
Well, there's my first 10 pull. Second temple.
Purple.
Oh yeah, GG man.
Nah, it ain't over till the fat lady sings.
Third temple.
Yeah, see?
Oh,
It wasn't
wow.
over. It wasn't over. It
But
wasn't
but
over.
wait, do these weapon things have a 50-50?
75-25.
Oh wow, that's crazy. I didn't know that.
They did the same thing with HSR, I'm pretty sure. Someone broke his leg. Unless he's a fucking lying, conniving little bastard. Evil, lying, conniving bastard. Nah, I believe him. 75-25.
Hell yeah. Okay, that's good to see. I still have some reserves. I still have reserves, man.
Alright, now Qingyi! No. Okay.
Now for sure pull though. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, fuck, just drop everything you got on Qingyi. You know, maybe she might come home.
Damn.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows?
I don't know if I'll go all the way though. I'm already left with 20.
We're going all the way. We're going all the way. Fuck a wee ball.
You really think I should go all the way?
Fuck a wee ball. Fuck a wee ball. We gotta win. We gonna win. I mean, shit. I mean, what is there to lose? Everything, right? My fucking mortgage, my fucking down payment on my car.
Yeah, GG
Anything
man.
can happen.
I think it's GG's man.
You
I'm
stay
on
in the
scraps.
pit.
I'm on scraps right now.
Pit. Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, that's a lot of A's though. Maybe I can go again.
Yeah, but
I can. Holy.
I'm pretty sure. We stay in the pits. We stay in the pits. Let's go!
Oh! Oh!
That's what I got this temple, baby. Watch this. Watch this. The gamble was worth it. The gamble was worth it.
Oh my god!
The gamble was worth it.
I can't believe this shit. I can't believe it actually worked. That's fucking nuts. Now it's time for the...
What does she weapon do, by the way? Can you check? I don't want to check her weapon.
Damn.
Here, can we see what her weapon does?